The Heston model is a mathematical framework used by quants to price options by accounting for the fact that market volatility changes over time. Unlike simpler models that assume volatility stays constant, the Heston model treats volatility as a random variable that fluctuates. This model tracks two separate paths simultaneously, allowing it to capture the reality of market swings more accurately than older methods. The model assumes volatility tends to return to a long-term average and accounts for how price drops often trigger higher volatility. While Black-Scholes is the industry standard for simplicity, the Heston model provides a more realistic view of how option prices behave. This graph illustrates mean reversion, where volatility spikes but eventually settles back toward a historical average over time. Remember that no model perfectly predicts the future. They are tools to help us manage risk and understand market probabilities. The Heston model remains a cornerstone of modern financial engineering. Check our channel for more deep dives into quantitative finance.